Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the equation a times x plus b is equal to 4x plus 10. Controlled in this equation, a and b are constants, and if the equation has infinitely many solutions for x, what is the value of b? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to distribute this. So the a times x is ax, plus a times b is ab. This is equal to 4x plus 10. And for this equation to have infinitely many solutions, the x terms have to be equal and the constants have to be equal. So ax has to be equal to 4x and ab has to be equal to 10. Using this equation, if we divide both sides by x, everything cancels. We get a is equal to 4. We're looking for the value of b, which we can find with this equation. We know a is 4, so this is 4 times b is equal to 10. Dividing both sides by 4, these cancel, and you get b is equal to 10 over 4, which is 2.5. So for this equation to have infinitely many solutions, your value of b is 2.5. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.